Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the light emitting diode, that is LED. A light emitting diode is a forward bias PN junction diode which emits light when energized. A light emitting diode is always operated in forward bias condition, and when it is operated in forward bias condition, it emits light when it gets energized. Now this is the symbol of light emitting diode. This is anode terminal, this is cathode terminal. Anode is drawn from the p-type semiconductor material, cathode is drawn from n-type semiconducting material. Now the symbol of light emitting diode and ordinary diode is similar. Only light emitting diode, it contains outward arrows here, and this outward arrow, it indicates the emission of light. Now let us look upon the construction of light emitting diode. Now this is the construction of light emitting diode. A p-type semiconductor material is deposited on the n-type semiconducting material. This is the junction formed between the two semiconducting materials. Now metal contacts are used for anode and cathode. This metal contact is used for cathode, and this metal contact, it is used for anode. Now light emitting diode is always operated in forward bias condition. So when positive terminal of battery is connected to the anode and negative terminal of battery is connected to the cathode, the light emitting diode is forward biased. When it is forward biased, the majority charge carrier electrons from n-type semiconducting material will cross the junction and enter into the p-type semiconducting material. So there is recombination of electrons and holes near the junction in p-type semiconducting material. Now the electrons in n-type semiconducting material are at higher energy levels, and holes in p-type semiconducting material are at lower energy levels. Therefore, there is a difference in energy levels, and this difference in energy levels is given up in the form of heat and light. Now the commonly used semiconducting materials are silicon and germanium. Now silicon and germanium are the heat producing materials. So most of the energy is utilized in the production of heat, and hence there is insufficient energy for the production of light. Therefore, silicon and germanium are not used for the fabrication of light emitting diode. So for the fabrication of light emitting diode, the light producing semiconducting materials are used, and these light producing semiconducting materials are gallium arsenide GaAs, gallium arsenide phosphide GaAsP, and gallium phosphide, that is GaP. Now the color of this light, it depends on the semiconducting material used. If we use gallium arsenide, it emits infrared radiation, that is IR radiation. If gallium arsenide phosphide is used, it emits red or yellow color light, and gallium phosphide, it emits red or green color light. So the color of the light emitted, it depends upon the semiconducting material used for the fabrication of lead. and by using these semiconducting materials, the junction acts as a source of light. So in this way, light is emitted when light emitting diode is forward biased. Now there are several applications of light emitting diode. These applications are, the first one is they are used as power indicators for various electronic devices. In many electronic devices, the light emitting diodes are used as power indicators. Means whether we can know that whether the device is on or off. Generally, red and green color LEDs are used as a power indicators for different electronic devices. Next important application is they are used as solid state video displays. Light emitting diodes are used as solid state video displays. There are LED monitors, LED TVs. Okay. The most application is nowadays about the LED monitors, LED TVs. Okay. If we have LED TV, we can view a very clear image from 180-degree angle also. The next important application, that is they are used for numeric displays in calculators. The displays in calculators, they are of light emitting diodes, and the light emitting diodes used in calculators for the numeric displays are 7-segment LED displays. Another important application is they are used in the optical fiber communication. A signal from one place to another place by using the optical fiber is transferred by using the light emitting diode. The light is transferred from one place to another place through the optical fiber communications. In this way, the signal is transferred from one place to other place in optical fiber communication by using the light emitted from a light emitting diode. So these are the important applications of light emitting diode. Now in the next lecture, we will discuss about the photodiode. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.